Well, guys, took about an hour-ish to get the old turbo out. There it is. There's the replacement one. Should be good. That one had a lot of play. I mean, a lot. In and out and side to side. That explains a lot. So I gotta make a run to the parts store. Gotta get some new hoses while I'm here for the coolant side. Need to get the oil return line hose. Might as well do it because I'm here. Hate to have something break while I'm out having fun with it. Alright, guys. Well, guys, this is where we're calling it for the night. New turbo's in. Downpipe installed. Still got some lines to run, tighten up the normal. Got to put the belt back on this AC pump, now turned into an idler. So here we go. This should be quite interesting. This turbo did and should be good. Alright, guys. See you guys tomorrow.